All right, so since today, uh, the Zoom call wasn't working with you guys, it worked with my seventh graders, so I'm kind of still trying to figure out why it didn't work with you guys, but hopefully tomorrow it's up and running again. I wasn't able to walk you through the homework questions, and I had a question on number 11 and number 15. Okay, and I think 15 is one that you is a lot similar to yesterday's questions, but I can definitely go over that tomorrow. I know I said it, or I would told the student I would make a video for 11 and 15, but I'm just going to make a video for 11 because 15 is just like yesterday's questions. So in number 11 on the assignment right here, okay, the question was where they gave you a picture of a graph that looked like this, and I haven't completely finished, I guess, because it was shaded in on this side of the graph too. So it was a line that looks like this, and it was shaded in above it. Okay, and keywords that I said were it's shaded above the line. Okay, because that tells me when I'm writing my inequality that it's either going to be greater than or less than, and when it's above the line, that means it's going to be greater than. And when the line that's been drawn is solid, like this line, that means it's going to be greater than or equal to. If it was a dotted line and it was shaded above, then it would just be greater than. But in this case, it's going to be greater than or equal to. So I know I can just start off my equation with y is greater than or equal to. All right, and now I'm just going to make it in like slope-intercept form. So just to remind you, that's going to look like mx plus b, where m is my slope and b is my y-intercept. So again, I'm just going to start off my equation with y is greater than or equal to, because the equal to part is the line that I've drawn, and the greater than is everything that's shaded above it. Okay, and m again is my slope. So if I look right here, I'm just noticing no matter what 2 points I pick, I can just go up one and over one, up one and over one. So my rise is 1, my run is 1, my rise is 1, and my run is 1. So that means my slope, my m, is equal to 1 over 1, which is the same thing as 1. So my equation is going to start out with, or my inequality is going to start out with y is greater than or equal to 1x, and I technically don't even have to put that 1 right there, but I'm going to. And then remember, b is my y-intercept, so if I look, my y-intercept is at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here. Okay, so then I would just go plus 5, and then you have it. All right, so this would be the inequality that represents this graph over here.